Morning guys, welcome to day 40 of the daily videos here on the ranch. Checking the calves this morning. I already came out this morning and fed A2 and A4 probably about an eighth bottle of water each. A4's poop was looking a lot better. There she is. She has a dehydration. This was it. Yeah, a lot more solid. Hopefully she'll stand up. Bunch of dry food last night. Great. Need some more, huh? I'm gonna be tagging A1 here. One of the white brongus cattle that I got at the auction. Got to get them in the corral, then we can rope them. Rope her.
This goes around its head. We flip this up. This goes through the hole,
Okay.
around, and back through the hole.
Okay.
And pull it tight. So it's easy to get off.
Okay.
Sometimes it gets real tight, but you can always get it off. Let's see if I can grab her. Over here and check her invisible. Look,
Should I go back here so they don't go?
what? Hey! No! What?
Almost.
Hey!
Perfect.
Alright. I'm sure it's the left here.
Yeah.
Careful she don't kick it. Kick her over here, that post.
She's strong.
I told you.
What are we doing now?
I have to grab her hard.
This is gonna
Lay her
be hard.
down.
Lay her down.
Jump on her.
There we go.
That's the right ear? That's the
Yeah,
left ear?
left.
Alright, bud.
Right here?
Yep, right in the middle there.
Perfect. A1. Alright,
You got the spray.
where's the spray?
Probably on the ledge.
Okay. I'll be back quick. All right.
You want to get this cow to learn a rope, it's the time now because it's only going to get bigger
Put her on
and stronger.
a halter.
First this, just a rope. Maybe a softer one that isn't so...
Should I just put her in a halter now? And then leave her there for an hour?
And she could get out of that probably too.
Okay.
You gotta work up to that.
Okay.
Or that bolt. Leave it tied up like this for an hour, but
Okay.
closer.
Closer to what?
Right there to that tree and the shade. Which
Okay.
was, but closer to the tree.
Yeah. All right.
Because she's only gonna get bigger and stronger.
Yep.
Catch her again. It's gonna be not harder, just like this. Because these cows are easy.
Yeah.
Like you go towards there and I'll go to
All right. Watch out, Clyde. One chicken got out. Let's see if I can get it back on. This is why as soon as you feed the chickens, it's easiest to put the water in. There you go, piggy. Alright, now I have to put the grain in the black pig, little black piggy over here, and give these guys a scoop of grain. I believe they have minerals and stuff in it too, but I don't like giving them grain, but I'm gonna have to find a replacement for it in the future. Just because technically that's not fully grass-fed and finished beef right there. I have to do some searching and see what they use. A4 water? A5. Yeah. Hey girl. Get on up, girl. Yep. Mm. Nope. Yep. There you go. Just here. She's pooping. Looks pretty good. She didn't drink hardly any. Hopefully she's working. Stick time. No.
Close enough that it got me. Alright, we gotta find that spot. You see that bottom one that right down there?
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, troublemaker. I'll let you out, buddy. He's tired. Yeah, good. Well, we fixed the electric fence. It just didn't have a good enough connection. Good thing it wasn't broke or nothing. Hey, girl. Ooh, you gentle. It's all good. No, hey, Paloosa, get out of here. No, go home. Go. She's gonna hurt herself. It's all good, girl. It's all good. No, Paloosa, go. Bad girl. Go. It's all good, girl. Gotta make sure she doesn't kick me. It's all good, girl. Trying to get her used to me. It's all good, girl. It's all good. Well, that went away. It's all good, girl. We got two dairy calves that aren't doing too well, so we'll probably move them up. Well, we already moved them. We were thinking about moving them up by the house somewhere, but there really isn't good shade for them. So we moved them in the one roofed in area. We're probably going to give them both an IV here soon. Hopefully they bounce back. They're just not getting up on their own and not moving. It's all good. It's all good, girl. Now I have to get the rope off her neck. Be able to just slide it open. Well, I couldn't catch it on camera, but better off. It was a struggle. And I don't want her to go back. Come on. It's all good. Come on. Do I have to go through here for no reason? Yeah, of course. You're free. Good girls. Out to the pasture they go. And they can go down by the river and get some water. I should probably leave that open. So, well, no, there's no minerals or nothing in here. Yeah, there is.